When it comes to the A320 family, we have a new member in the family.
The first one is the modern planes.
The Airbus A380 is an engineering marvel that has captivated the world of aviation since its inception. With its colossal size, luxurious accommodations, and unprecedented passenger capacity, the A380 has set new benchmarks in the industry. However, as we delve deeper into its journey, it becomes evident that the Airbus A380 is not just a triumph of aeronautical engineering, but also a disruptive force that has dramatically reshaped the entire aviation industry. Before we start, smash the like and subscribe buttons for more updates. When Airbus launched the A380 project in the early 2000s, the goal was clear: to create the world's largest passenger aircraft. This ambitious endeavor aimed to challenge Boeing's dominance in the long-haul market, particularly the iconic Boeing 747, which had held the title of the largest commercial aircraft for decades, while offering a level of comfort and luxury that was unparalleled at the time. The A380's maiden flight in 2005 marked a significant milestone in aviation history. With a wingspan of nearly 80 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 1.2 million pounds, the A380 dwarfed its competitors. The aircraft could accommodate up to 853 passengers in an all-economy configuration, although most airlines opted for a more balanced layout with first, business, and economy classes, bringing the typical passenger count to around 500, 600. This capacity allowed airlines to transport more passengers per flight, theoretically reducing operational costs and increasing efficiency. One of the most remarkable features of the A380 is its two full-length passenger decks, which provide ample space for various seating configurations and onboard amenities. Airlines like Emirates, Singapore Airlines, and Qantas introduced innovative cabin designs, including private suites, onboard lounges, showers, and even duty-free shops. These luxurious features transformed the flying experience, especially on long-haul routes, and set a new standard for in-flight comfort and entertainment. The introduction of the A380 had a profound impact on airport infrastructure worldwide. Due to its sheer size, airports had to make significant modifications to accommodate the aircraft. Runways were extended, taxiways reinforced, and terminals upgraded to handle the influx of passengers and the logistical demands of servicing such a large aircraft. The A380's arrival spurred a wave of modernization across major hubs, ensuring that airports could cater to the needs of this behemoth. However, the A380's dominance in the aviation industry was not without challenges. The economic landscape of aviation was rapidly changing, and the rise of more fuel-efficient twin-engine aircraft like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the Airbus A350 began to pose a significant threat, but with lower operational costs, making them more attractive to airlines looking to optimize their fleets. The global financial crisis of 2008 also dealt a blow to the A380 program. The downturn led to a decline in air travel demand, and airlines were forced to reevaluate their fleet strategies. The A380's high operating costs and the difficulty of filling such a large aircraft on a consistent basis became apparent. Many airlines deferred or canceled their orders, leading to production delays and financial losses for Airbus. Despite these challenges, the A380 found a niche market among a few major carriers, most notably Emirates. The Dubai-based airline became the largest operator of the A380, with a fleet that eventually grew to over 120 aircraft. Emirates leveraged the A380's capacity and range to connect its hub in Dubai to major cities around the world, establishing itself as a global aviation powerhouse. The airline's success with the A380 highlighted the potential for the aircraft in specific markets and routes, particularly those with high passenger demand and limited slot availability. The A380's impact on the aviation industry extended beyond its operational aspects. It forced competitors to innovate and adapt to the changing landscape. Boeing responded with the development of the 747-8, a stretched and modernized version of its iconic jumbo jet, although it struggled to match the A380's success. Additionally, the competition from twin-engine aircraft intensified, leading to significant advancements in aerodynamics, materials, and engine technology. As the aviation industry evolved, so did passenger preferences. The demand for direct flights to secondary cities increased, driven by the growth of low-cost carriers and the convenience of avoiding large hubs. Twin-engine aircraft like the 787 and A350 were well suited for these point-to-point routes, offering greater flexibility and efficiency compared to the hub-and-spoke model that the A380 excelled in. This shift in travel patterns further challenged the A380's relevance in the modern aviation landscape. In response to the changing dynamics, Airbus announced in 2019 that it would cease production of the A380 by 2021. This decision marked the end of an era for the Super Jumbo, highlighting the difficulties in sustaining such a large and complex aircraft in an industry increasingly focused on efficiency and flexibility. The A380's legacy, however, remains intact. It demonstrated what was possible in terms of passenger comfort, innovation, and engineering prowess. The discontinuation of the A380 production has significant implications for the aviation industry. For airlines that invested heavily in the aircraft, such as Emirates, the focus has shifted to maximizing the value of their existing A380 fleets. This includes retrofitting cabins with the latest technology and amenities to maintain a competitive edge. Additionally, the secondary market for A380s has emerged, with some airlines exploring the possibility of converting these aircraft for cargo operations, where their size and capacity could offer advantages. The end of the A380 era also underscores the importance of sustainability in aviation. The industry is under increasing pressure to reduce its environmental impact, and newer aircraft like the 787 and A350 are designed with this in mind. These models incorporate advanced materials and aerodynamic designs that improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions, aligning with the global push towards greener aviation practices. Moreover, the A380's story is a testament to the cyclical nature of the aviation industry. Just as the 747 once revolutionized air travel and eventually faced competition from more efficient models, the A380's journey reflects the constant evolution of technology and market demands. It highlights the importance of adaptability and foresight in an industry characterized by rapid change and innovation. Looking ahead, the aviation industry continues to explore new frontiers. With advancements in electric and hybrid propulsion, autonomous flight, and sustainable aviation fuels. While the A380 may no longer be in production, its influence persists. The lessons learned from its development, deployment, and eventual phase-out inform the strategies of aircraft manufacturers and airlines as they navigate the future of air travel. The Airbus A380's story is one of ambition, achievement, and adaptation. It challenged the status quo, redefined passenger expectations, and reshaped the aviation landscape. Despite its operational challenges and eventual discontinuation, the A380 remains a symbol of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. Its legacy will endure as a reminder of what can be achieved when bold vision meets cutting-edge technology in the ever-evolving world of aviation. The A380's journey also offers valuable insights into the competitive dynamics between major aircraft manufacturers. Airbus and Boeing have long been the two dominant players in the commercial aircraft market, and the rivalry between the A380 and Boeing's offerings, particularly the 747, exemplifies this competition. The development of the A380 was partly a response to Boeing's success with the 747, which had become an icon of international travel since its introduction in the late 1960s. Boeing, in turn, had to innovate to maintain its market position. The introduction of the 747-8 was a direct response to the A380, offering improvements in fuel efficiency, passenger capacity, and range. However, the 747-8 faced similar market challenges as the A380, with airlines increasingly favoring smaller, more flexible aircraft. This dynamic underscores the importance of anticipating market trends and aligning product development with evolving customer needs. The competition between Airbus and Boeing extends beyond their flagship models. The success of the A380 spurred Airbus to develop other aircraft that catered to different market segments. The A350, for example, emerged as a versatile long-haul aircraft that combined efficiency with passenger comfort. Its success demonstrated Airbus's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market demands. Similarly, Boeing's 787 Dreamliner became a game-changer in the industry, offering airlines a cost-effective solution for long-haul routes while enhancing the passenger experience with features like larger windows, improved air quality, and quieter cabins. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your comments below and tell us, do you think the Airbus A380 is revolutionizing aviation? We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.